Some people, today I want to talk about them mad pit bully where Andrew Lego pan way in Jamaica. But first, I want to check out them videos I know. My story, things that happen to me over the water, over south, you know what I mean. But back to them people here. Them people here, I act like say them depend some mad pillar or something. It's like them come out and them want everybody to afraid of them. You're criminal, you're good people, you're taxi driver, everybody for afraid of them people. I mean, I say American soldier behave so. Even the reserve them when them come out and them are work, and you can check it up on YouTube, then they behave nothing like this. Alright, check out that vehicle behind me. So the vehicle come behind me. And them hear some Anna blow down the place well aggressive and the engine and rev up. So the man stop there. Man stopping at the road. If you let them through. Because everybody I think there's some farm emergency or something, some gunman there somewhere shoot up a whole place. Me start pull over. Me couldn't wait for pull over. So me I must pull over upon them people there. Alright, see the front view you know. See the people them walk down the road there. Look like two ladies. Me I must pull over upon them. To let through the soldiers them where drive so aggressively through the town. You can't see me go over the white line. So me I think say boy, as when me say, somebody there somewhere shoot up the whole place or something. Or maybe the man them just want to use the bathroom. But you can't drive a little bit slower. You can't run over somebody pitney. Alright, up there the police station. May I show some still shot. You see the still shot, see the man them I go up a station there. See the man them jump off of the vehicle there. Me slow down and look. The man them jump off and the man them now move aggressive no more. The man them now act like say somewhere them a rush to go. So them now just run over the citizens them. Alright. Me remember one time I go to a market, you know. Only one way you can go to a market. And me I go the right way. And the man them a come the wrong way and come back up in me. And when the man them buck up in me, the man them a blow them and the man them a act like me need to jump out of my vehicle and take a car and move it out of them way. And people start get panic out and I tell me how to move because the market tight. The man them not try move, them not try moving them. And me need to move and I go the right way. You see them thing I will go on in Jamaica? Because Andrew feel like say it's a good idea for just Lego them people upon the citizens them. They pit bull them. Yes, me I say, check out my videos when me have JDF almost run me over today. I almost got killed by JDF today. Check out that video there, right? Subscribe to the channel and check out my channel, right? Because we the small man them, we kinda get a fight in this thing, you know. And you have some people listen to your channel, you know. Them themselves are bloggers, you know. And them now give you a look of big up and say, yo, check out that man the channel. Them hear some good things and they just copy what you say and go put it on for them thing. But I saw it go. You know them way that I saw it go. If you like what I say, you can't say it back. But at the same time, you can't just give me a look of big up same way. Same way. But that's what I say. Andrew Lego the mad pitbull them pan way. And trust me, I hate to say this, but them are going to run over somebody one day. Them are going to run over somebody one day. And them are going to tell some lie. God do not make it happen. But the way all them people are drive on the road is like they want everybody afraid of them when them leave camp. But what I always say, my people, be blessed, one God.